I grew up hearing my parents whisper at night, whispers born from fear, whispers the truth, whispers carried from a place where speaking the truth could cost you everything. Those whispers taught me courage. They also taught me what silence cost. Today, at Royal Mint Court, on World Human Rights Day, I stand before you to say calmly and firmly, we must say no to proposed mega Chinese embassy. This is not simply a planning issue. It is a matter of national security, of civilians' risk, and of transitional repression reaching right into the heart of London. For Tibetans, Uyghurs, Hong Kongers, Inner Mongolians, Taiwanese, descendants, and exiles, embassies are not always a symbol of diplomacy. Too often they are instruments of pressure, of monitoring, even intimidation. And we know this, we live it. Some of us still receive phone calls warning to stay quiet, even here in a free country. Recently, the government delayed approval of this mega embassy yet again, pushing the decision into next year because the concerns are serious, real, and unresolved. That delay is not an inconvenience, it is a warning, a moment to pause and think and choose wisely. And today, 10 December, matters deeply. Human Rights Day marks the adoption of Universal Declaration of Human Rights in 1948, a promise that every human being, wherever they came from, deserves dignity, safety, and the freedom to speak without fear. The issues before us today are not separate from that promise. They are a test of it. If we allow intimidation to masquerade as diplomacy, if we allow surveillance to stand in the shadow of a foreign flag, then we betray the spirit of this day and the people who rely on it. To those who say, let it go, it's just politics, human rights are not optional. They are the foundation of any honest and respectful relationship between nations. And to my fellow Tibetans, to all who have fled repression, remember this, our voices matter. We are here, we are free, and we will not be silent. On this Human Rights Day, let us honor the families who cross mountains for freedom. Let us honor the courage of those who cannot stand here with us. And let us ask our leaders to choose dignity over convenience, security over naive, and human rights over impunity. Thank you. So with this, I'm going to call upon the first speaker,